You say, Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
I love you.
I love you.
Hi everyone! So today nga ay magse-celebrate kami ng Father's Day and I decided nga na mag-staycation na lang since parang ang tagal na nung last. So ang napili ko nga pag-stay ay itong Azumi Boutique Hotel which is located in Alabang. This is their lobby. Medyo maliit yung space but very aesthetic.
We're going to swim.
That's loud.
Check-in time! Our room is located at 11th floor and very smooth lang yung transaction. Hindi na nga kami hiningian ng security deposit. Feeling ko kasi since overnight lang kami. Anyway, I booked this pala through Klook and this is their queen room. Very spacious and mabango yung room and we really love the city view. Okay, so room tour muna tayo. So this is their queen bed and may sofa bed pa sila. This is their TV and working table. Then may dalawang closet. So nasa loob yung blower and mini vault. Then, ito, sleepers. Then, itong fridge. Then, sa bathroom naman, kumpleto naman yung toiletries. Then, ito, shower room. Pack transparent. But don't you worry, parang may curtain naman dyan. So, kung gusto mo ibaba, pwede naman. Para hindi ka nagla-live show habang naliligo. So, yan, may microwave oven. Kaya pwede talaga magdala ng pagkain. Then, ito, complimentary coffee and water.
Tingnan mo si ginawa niya kay Chikawa. Tulog na si Chikawa kung hindi pa. Hindi.
So since tapat nga lang itong hotel ng Molito, we decided na maglakad-lakad muna. And then syempre, hanap kami kung saan kami magdi-dinner. We didn't avail nga rin pala yung room with breakfast. Because you know, as pamilyang ayaw laging nagigising ng maaga. Gusto namin ng freedom. Tsaka medyo maliit lang din kasi yung Romulo Cafe. Eh since kinabukasan 12 PM check-out, priority talaga namin mag-swimming na. After dinner, we headed back sa hotel and we decided na pumunta dito sa may pool area. Feeling ko ito talaga yung main reason bakit pinupuntahan. Kasi look at that view!
Wow.
Ang ganda ng city lights and nakaka-relax. Open nga pala tong pool nila from 7 AM to 12 PM. For breakfast, tinake out lang namin yung pizza na tira kagabi. Then oatmeal baon namin, lagi yan ng breakfast ng bebe ko.
You say, Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
I love you.
I love you.
Hindi nyo na nga rin pala kailangan magdala ng towel kasi may provided towels dito.
You go to Daddy.
Hi guys!
Hi, guys.
Come on, baby. Swim. Go swimming.
Mama Mary yarn. Hindi ko kaya mag-swimming. Sobrang init.
Here.
Oh, wow. You're a mermaid.
Oh, ikaw naman daw. Paano tayo swim?
Let's go na.
9 AM pa lang umahon na kami kasi magliligpit pa kami ng mga gamit and gusto rin namin maghiga-higa pa. So yun lang, check out time. We're gonna be rating this hotel an 8/10. Okay siya for family stay and kung gusto nyo na walking distance lang sa Molito and ATC.
Bye-bye. We're going home.
Yun lang, thank you so much for watching. Bye!